So now you might be wondering, like just now I got an instance. From where are these many instances raised? Almost you can see here in a page it just shows 20, and if you click next there are another 11. So that means there are total 31 incidents raised, and there are all something like unable to access team file share. Well, you guys don't need to confuse. The reason is because this is the demo instance provided by ServiceNow. What ServiceNow does is it gets you a lot of demo data so that it would be easy for you guys. You just don't need to create incidents and then work on it. There are some predefined instance created, so you can just start directly working on it. And there are many users you can test. Even though you can create your own users, ServiceNow even gives you a, comfort of just go and pick any user you want. So that's how it is. You can just see now, just take this demo data. This is the list you can see, and already this is the filter condition I was talking about. Already it is on a filter called active is true, and that's the reason it's showing 31. Okay, so the first things first, the search. You can see here there is the list search, and this search is related to a field. You see these all are the records. These 1 2 3, you can see these are 20 records, and these are the fields of the table. So these all records belong to a table called incident, and the incident table has these fields. Actually it has many fields, but currently within this list these are the fields which are shown. So the number, opened, short description, caller, priority. So these all belong to the incident table, and yes, these are the things which are seen. So let's go and search. Now this is based on number. Okay, so if I just click something else, like, yeah, I want to see all the ones which are priority as critical. I'll just type critical, CRI. Okay, so it's just not able to understand because the reason is priority takes the field value. Okay, yeah, you can see here, and this is the way you can do. If I just click on one, it shows the priority that is of critical, and that's how it is. Use one indicates critical. Now you see this list has been modified as you'll not directly see all critical itself, and the reason for that is it's a greater than or equal to symbol. It's just not equal to. It means anything which is greater than or equal to 1, but it gives the priority to show the equals to conditions first and then the greater. So now what all conditions are applied here is all that are active true and priority are critical. So this you can always change it, like if you click on this filter gets removed. If you click on this filter gets removed. So that's how it is. I'll just remove this filter, like active true I'll remove. Okay, you see actually I removed the other one, that is priority 1, critical, it's gone, and now all the instances are available here. And here another thing what we can do is you can just search the numbers. You can see now the priority is in ascending order. If I just click on it, yeah, you can see that now the priority is in a descending order. Similarly you can do it for this when it is opened. This you can see this is in a descending order. If I click here, this is going to be in the ascending order. The first instance was created 2 years ago, and whenever you hover you can see there a small tooltip that shows how many years, like how many minutes, how many seconds back it was created. So this is about the list, this is about the sorting, this is about the searching. As I was talking, you feel like these are the things which you search, but these are not enough to search. Then one thing what you can do is click on this filter here, and once you click on the filter here you can see that it gives you all the now you might wonder from where all this came. As I said, not only these things are the fields of this table incident, there are many other fields, and this is all that is about. Now if you see, there is nothing called, there are only short description, caller, priority, and something like that. What I can do is I select something like, yeah, updated by, and the name starts with or something like SA. I don't know who they are. If there is something which matches this condition, it shows, and I can add condition or condition. You see, click on add, you start adding an add condition. Click on or, you can see or, yeah, and doesn't require that, but if you click on or, it's going to show you that's an or condition. So if you don't want a condition to be applied, you can just remove, but if you want something to be added, just run. And there you see there are no records to display which are updated by SA, whose name starts with SA. So here you can see the all and then updated by. If I just again come back to all, this is showing everything. The initial one was 31, that is because those were active true, but now all the instances are seen here. And as I was talking, you can just change the columns which are displayed here the way you want. Click on this personalized list at any time, and then you can just start. These are the things selected and these are the things which are available, so you can just select from anything which you require, okay, and just add it around here. And if you don't want something from here, you can just remove it. Like as I said, I'll just select the activity due and it's getting here, and I'll just remove updated by, and I'll click OK. So you can see here, just move here and you can see the activity due and the updated by has been removed. So this is how you can personalize your list, put whatever you require, remove what you just don't require. And if you want to make any actions on this list, what you have to do is you can just select the one on which you want to have action. You can select multiple or a single row, and then action on selected rows. You can delete the record, or you can follow the live feed on this. You can repair them. So these all things can be done from it. Yeah, so this is about the list in ServiceNow and how can we do the sorting, searching, filtering, and personalizing your list. So these all things are done within a list in ServiceNow.